Hello friends, we have completed that first topic, that is a solid state exercise question with solution, with full explanation we can say. Now we are going to start with the second topic, that is the solutions. I know exercise is very bigger one, but we will complete it soon, don't worry. So together we have to discuss, we have to study well. Now see first question. First question as usual, choose the correct option, means MCQ is there. So which one is that one? Now see here. The vapor pressure of a solution containing 2 moles of solute in 2 moles of the water. Vapor pressure of pure water is equal to 24 mm Hg is. So here what we have to find out, and here. Now simply if we consider MCQ, so just we have to tick, then I will tell you answer is option D. But if here MCQ is there, but if they are asking the question to solve this one, then it should be, means you should be able to solve it. So how to solve it clearly we will discuss. See, vapor pressure of solution, what we have to find out? Vapor pressure of solution. What is the symbol for the vapor pressure of solution? That is P. Okay, next one. Containing 2 moles of, number of moles N, but here number of moles of solute. So we are writing here N2, that is the 2. In 2 moles of the water. 2 moles of solute dissolved in the 2 moles of the solvent. That is nothing but the N1, that is the 2. Means both are 2, so no confusion, but keep in mind that solute, for that we are using the N2 and for the solvent we are using the N1. The vapor pressure of pure water means again they have given the vapor pressure of pure solvent, which is denoted by symbol P naught. We have to find out the P naught. It is given, how much it is? 24 mm Hg. Hope so यहाँ पे समझ में आ गया होगा what is given in that numerical or in that objective. What we have to find out, that also we have written. Now which formula we have to use? Formula we have to use, that is the P naught minus P divided by P naught is equal to X2. X2 is the mole fraction of the solute and its formula is N2 divided by N1 plus N2. Why we are writing this formula? Because in that numerical they have given the number of moles, that's why. Means here P naught, how much it is? It is 24. Minus P we have to find out, divided by 24. Instead of that X2 we will write here 2 divided by 2 plus 2. After simplification of this one we will get that 24 minus P divided by 24 is equal to 2 by 4. That is nothing but the 1 by 2. Now we are going to shift that 24 to the right hand side. So it will be 24 minus P is equal to 1 by 2 into 24. That is nothing but the 12. Now we are shifting that 24 to the right hand side. So minus P is equal to 12 minus 24. Here our answer will be minus 12. Both sides having the minus means P is equal to 12 mm Hg. So in this way we have completed this objective with the solution. If 1 mark or 2 mark question will be there, then you should know that how to solve this such a type of numerical. Now we'll discuss the next objective. Now see second objective. Second objective is the colligative property of solution is option A, vapor pressure. I have written in the short, so please try to understand. VP, vapor pressure, BP, boiling point, osmotic pressure and freezing point. These are the 4 options. If we consider solution, there are the 4 colligative properties. Which are these 4 colligative properties? Lowering in vapor pressure. Second colligative property is elevation in boiling point. Third one is depression in freezing point. And fourth one colligative property is osmotic pressure. So if we consider here, I have given answer directly to you people. So just you have to observe out of these 4 colligative property which one is given. See, first one, it is related to vapor pressure, but vapor pressure is not a colligative property. Loading in vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point and depression in freezing point. These are the colligative properties. Here sometimes they will give such a 4 options, but instead of osmotic pressure they will give you osmosis. So keep in mind that these 4 are the colligative properties. So out of these 4 options, option C is the correct colligative property. So option C is the answer. Next one, In calculating osmotic pressure, the concentration of solute is expressed in that molarity, molality, mole fraction and mass percent. Whenever you are going to discuss the colligative property, only two types of the concentration. For some there is a molarity, for some that is a molality. But here for the osmotic pressure, which colligative property is there, which concentration term is there, listen carefully. If we consider when we are when there is a measurement of the osmotic pressure, it is made at specific constant temperature, at specific constant temperature. Keep in mind that what is the statement, osmotic pressure measurement is made at specific constant temperature. But if we consider molarity, which is the capital M, and second one is the molality, which is denoted by symbol M. Here molarity is temperature dependent, it is temperature dependent. But if we consider molality, it is not temperature dependent, it is not temperature dependent. So answer is the molarity, because if we consider that osmotic pressure, which is denoted by symbol pi, it for that one its measurement is made at the specific constant temperature, means we have to consider some temperature. For that purpose only we have to consider that molarity. So option A is the correct answer. So now see next objective. Ebullioscopic constant is the boiling point elevation when the concentration of solution is. यहाँ पे हमें पता होना चाहिए what is the symbol, what is the relation between that ebullioscopic constant and boiling point elevation. So in that if we consider ebullioscopic constant, which is denoted which is denoted by symbol Kb. Now elevation in boiling point, which is denoted by symbol delta Tb. Now what is the relation? Question is that when that Kb is equal to delta Tb. Firstly we should know that relation between them. So if we consider delta Tb is directly proportional to the molality, it is the molality. Now that if we remove that proportionality sign, then here we have to take one constant, and that constant is ebullioscopic constant. So this is the relation. Now question is that when such a condition will be there. So as we know that whenever value for the small m is, whenever molality will be 1, then and then only Kb is equal to delta Tb is possible. So here concentration that should be in the 1 molar, that concentration of the solution that should be 1 molar. So here if we consider the option A, B, C, D, option A is the correct answer. Clear to you? Now see next one. Next one objective is cryoscopic constant depends on. Now what is the cryoscopic constant? Cryoscopic constant which is related to the, here they have used ebullioscopic constant, and in case of depression in freezing point, that constant, that proportionality constant used, that is the cryoscopic constant. That cryoscopic constant which is denoted by symbol Kf, and for that one also delta Tf, that is the depression in freezing point. There is a relation that is equal to Kf into molality. Question is not related to their relation, but I told you that for the your information purpose. Question is cryoscopic constant depends on. If we consider colligative property depends on the number of solute particles and not on the solute particles. But that cryoscopic constant depends on the nature of solvent. So यहाँ पे complete हो गए अपने ये 5 objective. In the next lecture, we will discuss the remaining 5. Thank you all of you.